His first food, some yummy rice cereal. What do you think?
Now my turn.
Good? Your turn? You want to try the baby cereal? Alright, ready? Another bite? You just want to chew on the spoon for a while? You didn't actually get any cereal off of there. Here we go. Yum. Another bite? Did you swallow that?
Where's the ducky one? Ducky!
I think it's over, buddy. Oh, yum. Careful.
I'm the ducky. I'm the ducky one.
Already feeding yourself. Very good.